Next part, the unit vector in the direction vector A plus vector B plus vector C. Vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal I subtract 2j plus 4j plus 3I subtract vector j. I plus 3I is equal 4 vector I. Negative 2j, positive 4j, positive 2j, subtract j, positive j. The modulus of vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal square root of 4 squared plus 1 squared. Square root of 17. Now unit vector is equal vector AB is divided by vector A plus B plus C is divided by modulus of vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal 4I plus j is divided by square root of 17 is equal 1 over square root of 17 times 4 times vector I plus vector j. Next question. Point A 4 3. Coordinate of point A 4 3. Point B 6 6. Point C 0 1. Point C is 0 and 1. Write the vector OA, OB and OC. Vector OA is equal 4I plus 3j. Puta, do you have this answer? Vector OB is equal 6I plus OB. AO plus OB is equal vector AB. AO plus OB. Find the answers. We are not draw these figures. I explain this with figure for you. With AO plus OB. O vector OA is equal 4I plus 3j. Vector AO is equal my negative OA. Negative 4. We change this sign. Negative 4I, negative 3j. Here negative 4I plus 6I, negative 2I. Sorry, positive 2I. Negative 4I subtract 4I subtract from 6I. 2I. 2I. 3I subtract from 6j. Sorry, 3j subtract from 6j. 3j. Then vector AB is equal 2I plus 3j. Here 4, 5, 6. Here there are 2 units and there are 3 units. Here 3. This magnitude is 6. 6 subtract from 3, 3. Here 2I plus 2I 3j. Hear me? This 2I 3j. Understood? Modulus of AB. Vector AB is equal to I plus 3j modulus of AB is equal square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared equal square root of 30. Now we find BC. Vector BC is equal BO plus OC. Vector BO is equal negative vector OB plus OC. Negative O is the origin and OA is equal, vector OA is equal negative I plus 5j. We can mark it 1 unit from O in x-axis and 5 units of y-axis in positive side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here A. Now we can mark the vector OA. Vector OA. OA. Vector OA. This point is negative 1, positive 5. Then OB is equal to 2i plus 4j. Vector OB is equal to 2i plus 4j. We can mark point B. 2 units to the right in x-axis 1, 2 and 4 units of the positive side of y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. This is point B. 2, 4. This is vector OB. On here vector OC is equal to j. The point C is on y-axis. 1, 2 units here. C. Now find vector AB. BC and CA. Here vector AB. Vector AB. AB. AO plus OB. AO plus OB. AO plus vector OB. AO is equal negative OA. Negative OA. Here I subtract 5j plus vector OB is. Now we are going to show this triangle ABC. ABC is an isosceles triangle. We must find the magnitude of these sides AB, BC and AC. We must find the magnitude of these sides of this triangle. We must find the modulus of these vectors. Vector AB is equal, vector AB is equal 3i subtract j. Modulus of AB is equal square root of 3 squared plus negative 1 squared. 3 times 3, 9 plus 1. Square root of 10 units. 1 unit is this 1 square. Length of 1 square. Unit vector is I. Unit is length of this square. Now vector BC is equal equal vector BC is equal negative 2i negative 2j. Modulus of vector BC is equal square root of negative 2 squared plus negative 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. 2 squared is 4. Square root of 8 units. Vector AC is equal negative 3i plus 5j. Vector CA is equal negative 2 negative I negative 2j plus 5j positive 3j. Modulus of vector CA. Vector CA is equal negative I plus 3j. Modulus of vector CA is equal square root of negative 1 plus square of 3. 1 plus 9. Square root of 10. Now we can see square root of 10. Modulus of CA is length of the side CA. And modulus of AB means length of the side AB. Here in the triangle ABC, the length of the side AC is equal the length of the side AB. Hence, the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Modulus of AB means the length of the side AB. We can write it this way. And modulus of AC is the side length of AC. AB equal AC. Hence, the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Thank you.